Do you know what year this is from?
I want to say 2007. And the cafeteria's down that way.
Okay.
Well, actually, no, that one's closed. The other one across the street's open.
The cafeteria is where the black button is, right?
No, the cafeteria, one of the other cafeterias. We have 3 cafeterias here.
Oh, wow. I want to show the cab. Very basic cab. Looks like a service elevator.
Oh, yeah. Typical elevator.
And we'll go up to 5.
That might be locked. We might have to wait for someone.
See how high we can go. 1.
After 1 comes, wait there so the RAs don't see us. Because technically I'm not supposed to bring people in the buildings.
Oh, okay.
It's just